Hey guys, Michael from Jonard here. Just wanted to show you how to replace the blades of our RCS-30 and RCS-25 ratcheting cable slitters. First, you rotate the knob on top clockwise until the blade holder comes loose. Next, simply remove the blade like so and put the new blade in. If one side is dull, you can flip the blade and use the other side. Then, put the blade back into the unit with the screw hole aligned with the knob and rotate the knob counterclockwise to secure it in place. You're now ready to use your RCS-25 or RCS-30.